YouTube channel High Heels Collections, our ultimate destination for everything chic, stylish, and trendy in the world of women's footwear. Before we dive into today's fabulous collections, make sure to subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell, and leave a comment below sharing your favorite style. Our amazing admin team works hard every day to bring you the latest updates and designs. So, joining our family ensure you never miss a trend. Today we are exploring some of the most elegant stiletto high heels and leather boots that are perfect for 2025 fashion trends, and we promise this guide will leave you inspired and ready to step out in style. Stiletto heels are more than just footwear, they are a statement of confidence and elegance. Known for their thin high heels that elongate the legs, stilettos are a must have for every fashion conscious woman in 2025. The trends are all about sleek designs, metallic finishes, and bold colors. Whether you are heading to a formal event, a glamorous party, or just want to elevate your world everyday outfit, stilettos, high heels bring that extra touch of sophistication. Pair them with tailor dresses, skirts, or even high-waisted trousers, and you are guaranteed to turn heads where you go. Leather boots, on the other hand, combine style with durability and comfort. This year, knee-high leather boots and ankle boots are trending, featuring rich textures, elegant stitching, and premium materials, perfect for autumn and winter. Leather boots not only protect your feet but also added a layer of class to your wardrobe from casual day wear to evening outings. These boots pair beautifully with jeans, dresses, and even skirts, making them incredibly versatile. Let's talk about some of the hottest latest designs making waves in 2025. The transparent heels trend continues to be a favorite, offering a modern and chic look that is both playful and elegant. Metallic heels in gold, silver, and rose gold are also dominating, perfect for evening parties and weddings. For those who prefer subtle sophistication, classic black and nude stilettos with pointed toes remain timeless. Chose embellishments like rhinestones, sequins, and delicate stops are popular, adding glamour without being overwhelming. Overwhelming. Moving to leather boots, this season brings a mix of minimalist designs and bold statement pieces. Sleek knee-high boots in black or brown leather are ideal for professional and casual settings. Chunky heeled boots are gaining popularity, offering comfort while maintaining a trendy edge for evening looks. Leather boots with decorating backlash, zippers, or lace up details are perfect for those who want to stand out. Do not forget about ankle boots. They are lightweight, easy to style, and ideal for transition seasons. Pairing your favorite Pairing your footwear with the right outfits is crucial. Stiletto works beautifully with pencil skirts, midi dresses, and tailor pants. For leather boots, think about layering with oversized coats, skinny jeans, or flowy dresses. Experiment with texture like sleek, satin, and wool to create depth and contrast. Accessories such as statement handbags or bags can complete the look, ensuring you are always runway ready whether you are attending a formal event or a casual brunch. We know stilettos look amazing, but comfort is key. Always choose the right size and consider cushioned insoles to avoid discomfort. If you are new to high heels, start with lower heels and gradually move to higher stilettos. Leather boots naturally provide more comfort due to their sturdy constructions, but make sure they are broken in properly before wearing for long durations. Foot care including moisturizing and proper filtering, ensuring that fashion never comes at the cost of comfort. Colors play a major role in defining fashions in 2025. Expect to see natural tones like big nude and classic black dominating stilettos and leather boots. Vibrant colors such as deep red, royal blue, imperial green and metallic shades are trending for statement pieces. Pastel shades are also making a comeback for a softer, more feminine wave. Mixing and matching these colors with your wardrobe can make your outfits pop while keeping them sophistication and trendy. Modern high heels and boots come with innovative features: non-slip shoes soles, adjustable straps, cushion insoles, and premium leather finishes ensures durability and comfort. Some Stiletto heels now feature detachable embellishments, allowing you to customize your look. Leather boots often include water-resistant treatments, making them perfect for all weather wear. Investigation in high quality footwear not only elevate your style but also ensure long lasting visibility. Many celebrities set trends by showcasing the latest stilettos and leather boots. From red carpet events to social media fashions boots Sports high profile influencers are proving that a stylish pair of shoes can transform your outfit. Look out for inspiration from icons who mix classic elegance with modern trends. This can guide your personal style and help you make confident fashion shoes choose every day. Shopping for certain heels and leather boots requires attention to ideal always chic material quality, heel stability, sizing guides, and return policies. Online shopping is convenient, but visiting stores to try on shoes ensure a perfect fit. Remember, investing in timeless pieces might be more expensive intentionally, but pays off in terms of durability and style longevity. Shoes versatile designs that complement multiple outfits to maximize your wardrobe potentials. To warm up, let's imagine a complete outfit paired back stiletto heels with a sleek evening dress and metallic accessories for a glamorous look. For a casual day, brown leather boots with skinny jeans and a stylish touch. Trench coat exude effortlessly. Do not be offered to mix texture, experiment with colors, and add personal flair. Footwear is your canvas, and every outfit is an opportunity to express yourself. Thank you for joining us today at High Heels Collection. If you loved this guide, do not forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share your thoughts in the comments. Our admin team will be reading all your suggestions and requests so you can help us bring even more amazing content. Stay tuned for the next video where we explore exclusive saddle heels and collections that are perfect for every occasion. Until next time, keep stepping into style and let your shoes tell your story. Inshallah. My YouTube channel High Heels Collections, our ultimate destination for everything chic, stylish, and trendy in the world of women's footwear. Before we dive into today's fabulous collections, make sure to subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell, and leave a comment below sharing your favorite style. Our amazing admin team works hard every day to bring you the latest updates and designs. So joining our family ensure you never miss a trend. Today we are exploring some of the most elegant stiletto high heels and leather boots that are perfect for 2025 fashion trends, and we promise this guide will leave you inspired and ready to step out in style. Stiletto heels are more than just footwear, they are a statement of confidence and elegance. Known for their thin high heels that elongate The legs stilettos are a must-have for every fashion conscious woman in 2025. The trends are all about sleek designs, metallic finishes, and bold colors. Whether you are heading to a formal event, a glamorous party, or just want to elevate your world every day, outfit stilettos, high heels bring that extra touch of sophistication. Pair them with